Imagine yourself in a heated online battle, frantically moving your avatar across the screen, as your trusty gaming laptop somehow manages to keep up, delivering crisp images and razor-sharp performance. That's what you can expect from the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10, a powerhouse of a gaming laptop that brings forth a new standard for competitive players. But why do we need another gaming laptop? The truth is, current options often fall short. We frequently encounter outdated components, inadequate cooling systems, and restrictive thermal designs that throttle our performance just when we need it most. This results in an underwhelming experience that leaves us frustrated and wondering if our money could have been better spent. So, let's take a closer look at the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 and see if it could deliver on its promises. As soon as you take it out of the box, you're struck by the sheer size and weight of the device, 5.2 pounds to be exact. But don't let that fool you. This behemoth of a machine is beautifully crafted with a striking design that exudes a sense of premium quality. The Legion logo proudly sits at the top, surrounded by razor-sharp lines that seem to slice through the metal. It's a stunning sight, and one that's sure to grab attention. The keyboard is where we really see the Legion 5 Gen 10 shine, boasting a fantastic backlighting system that illuminates your keys with a vibrant pulsating glow. This is more than just a visual effect. It's a clever design choice that helps you navigate in low-light environments, making it perfect for those late-night gaming sessions. We also appreciate the inclusion of dedicated media controls, allowing you to manage your audio playback without having to dive into your OS. Now, let's talk about the real stars of the show, the AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. This pair is a formidable one, capable of tackling even the most demanding titles at high resolutions and frame rates. The Ryzen 7 260 processor boasts an impressive 8 cores and 16 threads, providing unparalleled multitasking capabilities and smooth performance in any scenario. Meanwhile, the RTX 5060 delivers breathtaking graphics quality, featuring 8 GB of dedicated GDDR5 memory and a boost clock of 2,497 MHz. The real magic, however, lies in its tensor cores, 512 in total, which enable lightning-fast AI acceleration, further improving performance and image quality. But what about real-world testing? We pitted the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 against our favorite titles, from intense multiplayer experiences to visually stunning open-world adventures. The results were nothing short of amazing. In the likes of Fortnite and Apex Legends, we saw impressive frame rates of 120+ FPS, making for silky smooth gameplay and rapid decision-making. Even at higher graphics settings, the Legion 5 Gen 10 barely broke a sweat, effortlessly rendering intricate details and textures. And don't even get us started on the likes of The Witcher 3 and Cyberpunk 2077, two visually stunning titles that push the RTX 5060 to its limits. Now, of course, no discussion of the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 would be complete without mentioning its cooling system. We're happy to report that Lenovo has really pushed the boundaries here, incorporating a unique heat pipe design that allows for maximum airflow and heat dissipation. This results in a remarkably quiet and cool operating experience, even during prolonged gaming sessions. Of course, as with any product, there are some notable pros and cons to consider. On the bright side, the Legion 5 Gen 10 boasts an incredible display, a 15.3-inch WUXGA panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits of peak brightness, and 100% sRGB coverage. G-Sync support further eliminates screen tearing, making for a crystal-clear viewing experience. The inclusion of Dolby Vision also gives us HDR-quality visuals, which is simply stunning. On the other hand, we wish the Legion 5 Gen 10 had a slightly more aggressive design. Some users might find it a bit too understated. We also noticed some minor latency issues with the keyboard, although these were never major enough to detract from our overall experience. So, how does the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 stack up against the competition? It's an easy argument to make. In terms of value, this is one of the most compelling gaming laptops on the market. The AMD Ryzen 7 260 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 combination rivals even the best Intel-based options. Yet the Legion 5 Gen 10 comes at a fraction of the cost. And there you have it. The Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 is a gaming laptop that truly delivers. With its powerful components, stunning display, and excellent cooling system, this is a device that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. If you're in the market for a new gaming laptop and don't want to sacrifice performance for the sake of aesthetics, then the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 should be at the very top of your shopping list. Get your hands on the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 today and experience gaming like never before. With unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and a range of features that cater to any gaming style, this is the perfect addition to any collection. Don't delay. Order now and elevate your gaming experience to new heights.